Hey there, fellas. You do remember our shorty build, don't you? The last time you guys saw it was when we made that exhaust from wood. We all saw how it worked. It was all good. It didn't even start to burn. It was pretty great. In all seriousness, though, we need to give this thing a proper system. Right here we've got some pipe and an assortment of other stuff. For those surprised why we'd make such a narrow exhaust, here's the thing. We've also got a shaft and some ball bearings. We're going to be making an exhaust system stylized to look like a Gatling gun, or a minigun if you prefer that term. We just really want this to look cool. So yeah, using all of these supplies, we're about to make something truly epic. Let's do this. DIY machine gun style exhaust. Translation and voiceover by BMI Russian. Right, guys, check this out. So right here we've got a nifty-looking minigun. What's funny is that it actually works. It's pretty easy to spin up. Nice, eh? Straight up, I do want to say that yes, there is a tiny wobble. I mean, we did cook this up in our garage. We basically ghetto-rigged it, as we do. Without using any sort of precise tools and machinery, there was a lot of drilling, cutting, and welding involved. In any case, looks pretty good. I mean, you guys go ahead and be the judges. I gotta say, this is pretty sick. When driving down the road, I'd imagine whoever's following you is going to feel a bit uneasy. Fire it up, let's see how this works. Fantastic. It does look pretty stylish. Just picture it. You're driving along and behind you, you've got those barrels rotating. So there you have it. This is a pretty cool piece. And it fits our shorty just perfectly. The color and everything. I mean, this car has been sitting for a few years essentially without any sort of exhaust. At first it was just half a system. Then we had those wooden mufflers. But now we've got this machine gun. It's all looking very nice. I think more people should make systems like these for their cars. I mean, right? This is something I highly recommend you guys try. These kinds of mods, they're tons of fun. I was never really into this sort of thing. But this, I just love how it fits the car. Yeah, we've got it to work. It's all good. And that's all I have for you. It's looking great. You guys watch us, subscribe, send in those comments and suggestions, give us a big thumbs up. All right, catch you later. Maybe I should try doing a burnout, like right here. The car is on the pavement. Let's try it out. Nah, man, it's gonna lunge forward. Ivan, wait a minute, dude. What the hell was that? I just got unlucky.